His dream has now become our dream. Look at the people that are here. It is so diverse. America being America.
Martin Luther King had a dream that one day we'll be successful, and the dream came true.
Happy Martin Luther King Day.
Thank you for joining us to celebrate Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. For us to join together as a community with love and service, thank you so much for being here.
Happy MLK Day, Deerfield Beach!
This is awesome. And when you see people lined up for the parade, it is not in celebration of just a man, but in celebration of freedom, liberty.
Happy MLK Day! Woo!
I love it. Every Martin Luther King Day, I sit right here in this spot. I be right here. I just love the parade. See everybody coming out.
Very nice. Kind of like a community thing going on. I like it. I do it every year. Haven't missed 1 year.
Happy MLK Day.
Dr. King would be proud that not only do you have a dream, but that dream is alive and well today. Look around you today. Look at all the people that are here to celebrate, to commemorate. The dream is alive and well. Thank you for all participating and being part of our day, your day, our day here in the city of Deerfield Beach.